So here I am getting ready to unveil the tuna-ish salad from MamaSezz, and I'm just gonna let you see what the packaging is like. It is kind of a tear open top. So I am gonna go ahead and tear it open. Super easy. And it opens quite easily for sure. So that's convenient. I am now going to take my camera down. See if I can do this so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Just so you can see what the actual product looks like. It is, oh my gosh, it amazingly looks like tuna fish. Let me just dump it out into the bowl. This is kind of exciting. And you really actually don't even almost need a spoon. Look how much there is. Oh my gosh. Says there's servings. There are 6 servings to this, 130 calories per serving. I'll give you a little bit more details in just a moment, but it looks really, really good. It sounds like tuna fish. And so I am excited to try this. Let me just share with you as I put the camera back up here, because you'll probably want to see my expression, right, when I eat it. So let me taste it. You could really fool me. This tastes just like tuna fish salad from my childhood. This is magnificent. And there's lots of ways you can make your own tuna-ish salad version, you know, out of chickpeas, you know, hearts of palm, you know, even jackfruit probably, but this is spot on, and it's made from Mama's Mac sauce, which is stellar, the sauce in this. There is some water, sweet onions, spice, MamaSezz low sodium Worcester, low sodium tamari, lemon juice, garlic, sea salt, soybeans, celery, red onion, dill, pickle juice, seaweed, kelp, spice, garlic, date sugar, sea salt, and black salt. And I think just all the flavors she has going on here are fabulous. Like I said, calories per serving, 130. Protein, 7 grams. Fat grams are 8 grams of fat. Saturated fat, only 1 gram. Trans fat, 0. Of course, cholesterol, big 0. Sodium, 360 milligrams. Total carbohydrate, 11 grams. Fiber, 2 grams. And sugar, 3 grams. So I am going to enjoy this. I'm going to share with you maybe a little bit with a picture how I served it for lunch. And this is coming in really handy for me. Like I said, you know, I like to prepare my own food. I know how to make a kind of a chickpea tuna fish salad, but it's nice to have something like this on hand because my husband and I, we are working hard all day long today, finishing up the fencing on our garden, putting up posts and making sure things are level and plumb, and I didn't have time. I'm going in and out of the house. So I'm actually preparing our lunch a little bit later than usual. It's almost 1 o'clock here in Sedona. And so this works out perfectly. I think I'm gonna serve it with a little bit of arugula. I might make a sandwich, add some, you know, dill pickles or roasted red peppers on top. I have some leftover potato salad and some roasted beets, so I'm gonna put that on the side, I think. So you could really serve this many different ways. You can make a sandwich, a wrap. There's no liquidy stuff, so it's not gonna like have liquid come out in your wrap, which I think is fabulous. You could mix this with some cooked pasta. You could throw in some rice and extend it that way. There's all sorts of things you can do with the MamaSezz tuna-ish salad. So I have to give this a big thumbs up in my opinion. So hopefully you will maybe look into it and learn more about MamaSezz by going to mamasezz.com. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.